All right, so now that we've got our hydraulic package on, we're going to add the automated control. This works only with the hydraulics. Again, when you order the kit, everything comes already pre-drilled and tapped with all the hardware, so you don't have to do any of the hard work. Snug those up. So that's the control. So now we do have to do another wiring connection on the circuit board. All right, so now we have to do our two connections onto the circuit board and onto the proximity sensor on the motor. Again, everything comes pre-drilled and mounted. The proximity sensor comes with every machine. So we have to take the strain relief nut off, feed the ribbon cable through, now I'm going to put the nut on here. Up. This ribbon cable gets plugged right onto the circuit board there. Now this switch here has to be on number 7. That's number 7. And that's it. The electrical box. Now this switch, potentiometer switch, plugs onto here. Now what this does is it measures the rotation of the motor. All right, so now that we've got everything mounted up, we can turn our power on. So right now it's in manual mode, in pendant. So I've got pendant control. I got forward and reverse on the foot pedal. If I go into foot pedal mode, now the pendant is deactivated. Now I've got control with the foot pedal. So the beauty of this control is I can now teach the diameter of a part. So if I want to go into teach mode, I'm going to run this. So let's just pretend that's 1 revolution of a part. Now I can go into semi-automatic mode, and I'm going to tell it I want to step it down 3 times, and we'll each time I want it to step down for this amount of time, and then this is a home position here, so I want at the end of the cycle I want to wait. After I take my foot off the pedal, I'll wait let's say 2 seconds, and then I want it to go down to a home position, let's say for 4 seconds. So now we're going to run this. So you can see it's counting down. So basically that's the end. So it counted down 3 times. Now it'll wait its interval and go down to its home position. So now it basically becomes a high production automatic machine. So that's our automated control.